So you want to be a coder, huh? You want to join to the elite coder? You want to know the secrets? You want to stay on screen all day and say, "Oh, it's not my fault. Why is it not working?" Or it's worked yesterday. Who broke it? Well, you are in luck because today I will teach you not only how to code, but also how to be the top tier super duper senior Illuminati ninja coder that ever existed and will ever exist. Like me. Step 1. The first rule of coding, it's never your fault. Never your fault. Never. Your code isn't working. Obviously, it's not working. So, who is to blame? The computer. The computer, maybe it's even the network, or maybe blame the previous coder that worked on that part. Even even if you are that last coder, doesn't matter. Say I have no idea why it's not working, why it's doing that. It worked perfectly yesterday. Just keep a straight face and they will buy it every time. Step 2. Good coder writes code that only they can understand. Want a job security? Make sure no one else can make sense of your code. Use mysterious variable like x, y, temp2 or data123. It's write the code like you write the alien ancient language that never existed. That way, if anything goes wrong, you are the only one can fix it. Bonus points if after a month or after a week you can't understand it either. That's when you truly mastered this skill. Step 3. The beautiful nagging about the legacy code. Wherever you run it into a problem, just cite loudly so your coworkers can hear you like, this legacy code is a nightmare. Doesn't matter if you wrote it yesterday. It's legacy now. Tell everyone, look at this ancient code. We working on a stone age here. Step 4. As a good coder, you have to make the people around you understand how hard you are working. So wherever whoever comes with the deadline, be like, whoa, what is this deadline? This is unrealistic. This timeline is it's absurd. I mean, who can finish the login page in 2 weeks? Even if you are ahead of your schedule, when you deliver, you are a hero. Step 5. The most important of the important things, bugs. Wherever there's a bug, even it's the smaller bug that you ever see in your life, say, oh no, this isn't just a bug, this is a catastrophic system failure. It will destroy the whole universe if you don't fix it. And maybe throw something like, we maybe even need to rewrite the whole app that we built 10, 10 people in 2 years. So we need to rebuild it. We need to rewrite it. After all, little drama never hurt anyone. And who knows, maybe they will give you some time to fix it. And there you have it. With those 5 steps, you can be the best programmer in the world. You got so many promotions. You will be the septillions times developer. And remember, coding isn't just about how you write, it's about how you act like you are solving the greatest problem every single day. So go forth and start bugging people in style. I don't know if I forget something, write down in the comments. That's it. Bye.